Can small changes in the home really impact the planet? National Geographic and Ariel are in Greenland, where researchers witness the impacts of CO2 emissions every day.
Microorganisms are important because they are so abundant.
The extent of the sea ice is really important for these small communities, and that is the basis of the food chain. So it's so important to whales, to humans, to all life. When you're here, it's really becoming apparent and real that the climate is changing.
Moving here, we realized that our daily habits actually affected climate. Temperature really makes a big difference.
In laundry, up to 60% of the carbon footprint comes from heating the water. That's why Ariel is designed to work at colder temperatures. Act now. Join the Ariel Wash Cold Challenge.